Hello and welcome back to a new ADV Freedom video. So today is January 25th. We had a rough winter. Let me show you what is going on here. So yesterday we had a big snowstorm. Very big snowstorm, 60 centimeters. From a week ago, which we had another 40. So yeah, but today's video is about changing the exhaust, the muffler on my Transalp 750, the 2024 model. So I went into Aliexpress. This is a cheap exhaust. Looks a little bit better than the existing one. Seems a little bit smaller. On when I bought it, they said around 2 kilos. So I think this one is around 4. We'll weight it up. But very cheap exhaust. I paid, I think it was on sale from 165 Canadian dollars to 145 Canadian dollars. Looking, I measure it based on the information they provided. It seemed a little bit smaller, but when I got it, it is a little bit smaller. Like this last part is not here, it's just the pipe, but we'll see how it goes. So let's see how the existing one sounds. Let's see if the motorcycle starts. I'm gonna put the microphone right next to the camera. I'm guessing is around 5 feet. 2, 3, 4, around 4 to 5 feet. So the microphone is around 5 feet from the exhaust. Cold. Alright, so that is the existing exhaust. The spark arrestor is in. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take the spark arresters out and let's see how it sounds without it. So if you want to know how to take the existing one out, this is the North American model. It has 3 screws. So one of them I broke for some reason, so I just replaced with a like regular screw. Let's see. I took it out before. I don't like how it sounds without it. It's too loud, but this is it, the spark arrestor. So I'm gonna put the mic back around 5 feet. And let's see how it sounds. And if you ever want to move to Canada, here we have it. Anyhow, alright, so right now to take off this exhaust, I'm gonna leave my bags on because I want to see how it fits with the new one. So there's one bolt here, and there is another one right over here. Both of them are 12. This one on the back is 13. I don't know why, but all right, so let's take those out. Oh, seems like it comes out without taking the back. So what I got is like just a slip-on. Should come like pretty straight on. So here you have it. This is the bolt that goes in there. Looks like the back is The back is welded. So let's do the top one. This one we have to keep. The other one, exhaust comes with its own bolt. So it looks like here there's a rubber bushing, not bush. So let's see. Oh, this is heavy. Yeah, so that's it. Let's do a test with no exhaust, and we'll see. That was no exhaust. All right, so let's see. This is the new exhaust from Aliexpress. Let's see how much it weighs. Come on, stay there. 2.260 grams. No, 2,260 grams, 2.2 kilos, 2.26 kilos. All right, so this is that is the new one. And let me put this back on to make it fair, and the bolt from the all right, stay. So this is 3,830 grams, so 3.83. So it's 1.6 kilos, I guess. Not that much of a difference. 1.6 kilos, okay. Pretty good packaging, comes with foam and protection. Came pretty fast from China. It took like 1 week. So, nice looking. Looks way smaller. Let's see how it goes here. Let's open it up all the way. Okay, that goes in the back. All right, goes in the back. Let's put the top screw back. Pretty good quality, it looks like. Moment of truth. It looks good with the bags. Actually, there is a little bit more space than the one. Yeah, actually looks good. That one, the stock one, was coming, all this black part was coming right up to here. So this looks a little bit smaller. This one has an arrest, like a spark arrestor too. This here, and there is a plug. There's a rubber here. You can take the screw out, and you can take the spark arrestor out. But usually I don't ride without it. So I looked online for well, this is Chinese, so basically I think they are copying some of the brand muffler. So looking at this and then looking online, I found a couple of brands there I think this guy is copied from. So basically the SC project has one that looks almost the same. Also the Aero has one that looks almost the same, but there is a company in Italy, it's called Genial Parts or something like that, that has a custom one that actually looks almost the same, even with the pipe. And another one which I found, so basically that one is an Aero. Aero has one, also the Italian company. And Also, the Akrapovic has hopefully I pronounce well, has the Indy race, and I'll put all this, has the Indy race exhaust that looks like this one. So actually this company, like these guys, are selling one of this, which it says here Skrapovic or something like that to look like it's a Krapovic. So I'm guessing they copied from that, but you get to decide. You have the pictures. So right, so let's do the test. 5 foot. So this is it. Let me know what you guys think. I think it comes a little bit higher than the stock one. My bike just waiting for some better days. But yeah, this is it. 1.6 kilos less. It wasn't about the weight, more about the look. I don't know if it's good quality or not. Looks at the same weight, so hopefully it has the same packing, but it is what it is. So I'll take it for a ride as soon as the weather improves, and we'll see how it goes.